Hey guys, this is a training video on how to create a custom product from a bill of materials template that we built out. It's kind of going to walk you through the process. Now we'll gloss over sales because Rebecca will do one for that. We'll gloss over delivery and purchasing because Joel will deliver that. But for now, we're going to kind of show how the base process goes. All right, let's jump in. We're going to start in manufacturing. So this is the place where everything is going to start from a sales prospect. I know it's counterintuitive, but essentially, the reason we're doing that is we built out a series of templated bill of materials, and these have a set of corresponding items that belong to it. Here's what we'll do. We'll go into one of those, we'll click this gear icon here, and we'll duplicate this record. You'll notice that it says that the bill of materials is created over here. That's really your only clue. I'm not thrilled about how Odoo does that, but they do. So we're going to make this a Southwest custom product, project 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And we're going to create this product. And when we do that, this changes, and essentially this is our new product, and we have a brand new bill of materials that's related to this new custom product. From here, we can add some custom lines like labor. So if we want to add labor to this project, we can say it's going to be 50 hours to do that, and maybe some freight. Some freight so that we've got a charge for what we're going to cost to ship it. It's going to be 1 unit. And essentially, this is the way we sort of customize this bill of materials so it works specifically for Southwest in this example. We're going to save this, and that saves that bill of material. That's step 1. Step 2, and this is important, is to click on this link here and go directly to the product itself. There's 2 things we have to do here. The first is we have to compute the price of this. So you'll see this from the bill of materials. You don't have to do any work. It's going to take the bill of materials you've already built. It's going to calculate out that cost. And then you're responsible for building out the sales price as a result of that cost. This is important. You need to save this record because what happens when you save that record is that I get this information in the tool and I also set my routes so that I'm going to manufacture this product, and I'm only going to do it when I actually close the sale. So that save is really important to do. But that's it. Once you've got that put together, it's time to go into the sales module and create an order for this. So let's jump into orders. Let's create a new one. And this one is going to be for Southwest. Southwest. We'll grab Ron Nichols' information here. We're going to add the product we just created. So if we search on this, we can find that product right here. And that gives us the record, the price that we just keyed in for $25,000 and helps us build out this order from here. You have an approval process that I'm not going to go through now. I'm simply going to approve this record. And when I do that, I can now confirm my sales order. I realize this is happening real fast. Rebecca will take you all through all this with the documents. But essentially what I want to get to is this manufacturing order. So 2 things happened when I closed this. I created this sale. I also created a manufacturing order and a delivery order. Joel will take you through delivery. I'm going to take you through manufacturing. If I click into this manufacturing order, all manufacturing orders start in the design phase. And this is where your team will work through this. As they do the engineering specs and they get things put together, if they need to add things to the bill of materials from here, you can do that as you work this process. But some point in here, you're going to be satisfied with what you've put together, that this product is ready to be built, and you're going to proceed to shop floor. So when you hit this button, when you proceed to shop floor, we're going to move it to fabrication step. You can't do any of this by yourself. We lock this down. So the only way you can do this is with a conscious effort to proceed to shop floor, and that changes it to fabrication. At that point, we've turned it over to the guys on the floor who are going to go build this. So let's go into shop floor and see what that looks like.